Tell you something, Master Designers, Wrath is back in action!
That's right, folks. The Apoplexian himself, Rath, is back in the arena. Rath is one of the, aliens that is related to a tiger.
And let me tell you something, subscribe to this channel at once, or Wrath is gonna come and get you and convince you to give him his autograph.
Yeah, he wants you to He wants to autograph you. Here's his tooth. Now we draw Rat's claws. First, let's draw the Omnitrix on his chest. Here are the stripes. There's the abs. Here's the dagger sticking out of his thumb. And remember that rath-sized hole? Boy, that was a big one. That was really smart thinking. Here's Rat's thighs.
And let me tell you something, you better be doing it right!
Here's the finger. And another finger. And another one. And there he is. That's how you draw Rath! Wow, he's tough. To find out more on how to draw more aliens like this, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. I'm always here and I'm never going to stop. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel.
And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below.
Stay good, story. See you later.
Anybody hungry?